Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Welcome back in the chemistry lecture of 12th science. Last time we have seen about the valence bond theory, and after valence bond theory, the valence bond theory was having many drawbacks. Because of that, the new theory came into exist given by Bethe, that is CFT, crystal field theory. But unfortunately, crystal field theory was also having a drawback. The crystal field theory was also failed. So after crystal field theory has been given in our syllabus, but it is from non-evaluation part. This theory scientists are eagerness to explain because they want to explain the stability of the complex. So when the crystal field theory was failed, after then there was another theory said to be as an ligand field theory. Ligand field theory was also having certain drawback. That theory was also failed. At the end, the last theory came into existence and explained the stability of the complex, that is molecular orbital theory, MOT. But this LFT and MOT is not given in our syllabus, as we have to study only CFT and VBT, valence bond theory, and CFT. But CFT is from non-evaluation part, so you have to study only valence bond theory. After valence bond theory, the stability of the complex has been explained in our chapter. Let's see how they have explained the stability. Stability of the coordination compound. As now we will study the stability with respect to the neutral complex. Synergic bond in interaction in the carbonyl complex. We have many examples of carbonyl complex. One of the example is nickel carbonyl, that is nickel tetracarbonyl nickel 0. And we have iron example also. In the metal carbonyl complex, that is carbon monoxide, metal carbon bond in the metal carbonyl possess both S and P character. As metal to carbon sigma bond is formed by the donation of a lone pair of electron on the carbonyl carbon. Metal is donating the electron on the carbonyl carbon into the vacant orbital of the metal. I repeat again. Metal carbon sigma bond is obtained by the donation of lone pair of electron. How the lone pair of electron is donated? On the carbonyl carbon into a vacant orbital of the metal. Now, as metal and CO, so the ligand carbon monoxide, that is carbonyl group, will be donating the lone pair of electron to the metal empty orbital, vacant orbital. A sigma bond is formed. And metal carbon pi bond is obtained by donation of pair of electron from the d orbital of metal into the vacant empty orbital pi star orbital to the carbon monoxide. That means when metal will donate the electron to the ligand, pi bond is obtained, and ligand when donate the electron to the metal, sigma bond is obtained. This way you have to remember. Metal to ligand bond creates a synergic effect which strengthens the bond between carbon monoxide and metal. In this way, you can understand. This carbon monoxide, that is carbonyl group, when they donate the electron in the empty orbital of metal, then sigma bond is obtained. When metal donate the electron from the outermost orbit to the carbon monoxide, that is ligand, then pi bond is obtained. Stability of the coordination compound. The stability of the coordination compound in solution refer to the degree of association between two species involved in state of equilibrium. In this way, whenever a metal and ligand they combine, initially there is a initially they first combine, and according to the law of mass action from 11th standard we have studied that the concentration of the product upon concentration of the reactant will apply that law of mass action which we have studied in equilibrium, chemical equilibrium. So when metal combine with the ligand it form M plus, then the same one by one all the ligand they combine to form higher and higher complex. So when we apply law of mass action to all these four reaction, we get an constant that is said to be the stability constant, that is K, K1, K2, K3. The overall stability constant written as at the end beta 4, in terms of beta 4, that is M L4, that is 4 ligand divided by concentration of M, and this ligand 4 ligand raised to the power 4. This formula we have studied in 11th standard as we apply law of mass action. So the relation between the stepwise and overall stability constant is beta. What was the beta summation of all the stability constant? That is K1 into K2 into K3 till Kn. The instability constant or dissociation constant of the coordination compound is defined as a reciprocal of the formation of constant. That means 1 upon beta. 1 upon beta is a instability. So in this way we can find the stability. More the beta value, more is the stability. Less the beta value, less is the stability. What type of bond are present in the metal carbonyl? Metal when donate the electron, pi bond is formed. And when carbonyl ligand donates to the electron to the metal, sigma bond is formed. So they have asked what type of bond are present in metal carbonyls. So that is why both will come. Importance and application of the coordination compound. We have seen about the stability with respect to the chemical equilibrium. So just you have to remember, more the stability constant, more the stability. Now last part of the chapter, that is application of coordination compound. Important application of coordination compound, as you know very well, we have different types. Say for example biological importance and the qualitative and quantitative importance also. So one by one we will see. Coordination compound finds use in many qualitative and quantitative chemical analysis. The familiar color reaction given by the metal ion with a number of ligands as a result of the formation of coordination entities form the basis of their directions and estimations by classical and instrumental method of analysis. Example of such reagents including EDTA, ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid, DMG, dimethyl glyoxamato, alpha nitroso, beta naphthol, cupron, etc. These all chemicals are used in qualitative and quantitative analysis. Hardness of water is estimated by simple titration by disodium EDTA. As EDTA, in the burette we add the solution of EDTA. In the conical flask we take the solution sample of the hard water. Hard water contain calcium and magnesium salt. When EDTA is added drop by drop from the burette into the conical flask, it forms a complex. EDTA forms a complex with the calcium or magnesium both from the conical flask, and indicator is added as soon as the sample calcium and magnesium is getting bounded with the EDTA. At the end the indicator shows the color. So in this way we can analyze how much calcium and magnesium is present in the sample. The selective estimation of these ions can be done due to the difference in the stability constant of the calcium and magnesium. So important extraction of the metal like those silver and gold make use of complex formation, of course, yes. Gold combined with the cyanide in the presence of oxygen and water to form coordination entity, that is AuCN twice minus. The IUPAC name will be dicyanoaurate. in the aqueous solution. Gold can be separated in the metallic form from this solution by the addition of zinc. When zinc will add, what will happen? Zinc will combine with the cyanide forming zinc cyanide. Gold can be separated. Another important for the coordination compound is similarly purification of metal can be achieved through formation and subsequent decomposition of their coordination compound. For example, impure nickel is converted to nickel carbonyl, which is decomposed to yield pure nickel. Coordination compounds are of great importance in the biological system also. The pigments responsible for photosynthesis is chlorophyll and is a coordination compound of magnesium in the plant, which is required for the respiration photosynthesis. For the respiration part, for the respiration of the human being, the red pigment of the blood, which act as an oxygen carrier, is form a coordination compound of iron. That is said to be as hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is also a protein in the blood. Another important of the coordination compound are commonly vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is a water soluble vitamin. The chemical name for vitamin B12 is cyanocobalamin. The anti-pernicious anemia factor is coordination compound of cobalt. So here we have seen about the importance of the coordination compound in various fields. Now among here other compounds of biological importance with the coordinated metal ion are the enzymes like carboxypeptide A and carbonic anhydrase. These are also coordination compounds. So in the field of biological terms, the coordination compound is also important. That is why there is a need to study the coordination compound. Coordination compounds are used as catalyst for many industries. One of the famous catalyst which is we have used in the polymer chapter, that is Ziegler-Natta catalyst. The chemical name of that catalyst is titanium tetrachloride triethyl aluminum. That is why that compound is also said to be as an polymer, coordination polymer. So you have studied in the chapter polymer. Now here one of the example has been given to you as an catalyst, that is rhodium complex. Rhodium complex is also said to be as an Wilkinson catalyst, is used for the hydrogenation of alkene. Article can be electroplate with the silver and gold more smoothly and evenly from the solution of the complex, that is silver cyanide and gold cyanide, than from a solution of a simple metal ion. So here also for the electroplating also we can use. Now in the black and white photography, the developed film is fixed by washing with the hypo solution, which dissolve the undecomposed AgBr to form complex ion, that is Ag hypo solution. You can see how this sodium thioxide is reacting with AgBr, forming a complex. This is growing interest in the use of chelate therapy in medicinal chemistry also. Chelate therapy, as you know very well, that whenever a polydentate ligand, they forms a coordination compound with a metal forming a chelate complex. An example is a treatment of the problem caused by the presence of metal in the toxic proportion in plant and animal system. Thus, Excess of copper and iron are removed by chelating ligands. Excess of copper and iron are removed by chelating ligands. D. Penicillamine and dysferoxamine B via the formation of coordination compound. This is the extra application of what I am explaining to you, which is not given in the textbook. This application is just for knowledge point of view. EDTA is used in the treatment of lead poisoning. Some coordination compound of the platinum effectively inhibit the growth of tumor. Cisplatin are related compound which is used for the stop effect inhibiting the growth of tumor. Used in many qualitative and quantitative chemical analysis. Here the synopsis you can see. Hardness of water is estimated by simple titration with disodium EDTA. Extraction process of metal like silver, gold, which make use of coordination complex formation. Purification is done. Pigment responsible for photosynthesis, chlorophyll, and coordination compound used as a catalyst. Remember carefully, in the plant, chlorophyll is formed coordination compound with magnesium, and in the animal body, Fe forms a coordination compound with the hemoglobin. Come on student, answer the questions. Which of the following metal is removed with the EDTA? Pb, of course lead poisoning, magnesium, cobalt, Ni. Good. Now you can see 1-2 questions which is important in the text. Write the formula for the coordination compound. You can try this at home without seeing the answer. These are the name of the compounds complex. You have to write the formulas. The first one, tetramine diaqua cobalt 3 chloride. Likewise, this all example I have given to you. You can try it by pausing the video. These are the answers. You can check it afterward after writing the answer by your own. Hardness of water is estimated by simple titration. What will form? The spin only moment of the MnBr42 minus is. Now here they can ask the spin only moment, that is mu. You must have studied in the DNF block element how to calculate the mu. Here this question is not for you. Now you can see this one. NiCl4 2 minus is the paramagnetic, while NiCO4 is a diamagnetic, though both are tetrahedral. Why? As Ni is in 0 oxidation state, while Ni here in chloride complex it is +2 oxidation state. So in the presence of ligand carbon monoxide, the unpaired d electron of Ni paired up, but the Cl minus being a weak ligand is unable to pair up unpaired electron. That is why. Now this question will be not asking you for you in the exam. Now some of the synopsis also you can see. As copper sulfate 5H2O, it has a water of crystallization. It is also known as blue vitriol or Neela Thotha. It is the preparation of this will be not asking in exam. So here we have completed the chapter, that is coordination compound. Next time we will see some of the revisions. Thank you.